फिजिकल ऑप्टिक्स एंड लेजर बीएससी सेकेंड ईयर। यूनिट 1 इंटरफेरेंस ऑफ लाइट, द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन। दूसरा रिजल्टेंट इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू सुपरपोजिशन ऑफ टू वेव। तीसरा फेज डिफरेंस एंड पैथ डिफरेंस, स्पेशल केस। 1.3 इंटरफेरेंस ऑफ लाइट, टू स्लिट इंटरफेरेंस, फ्रिंज विथ द यंग एक्सपेरिमेंट, फ्रेजनल विस्प्रिंस, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फ्रिंज, एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ फ्रिंज विथ, कंडीशन ऑफ इंटरफेरेंस ऑफ लाइट, रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ कोहेरेंट सोर्स, ऑप्टिकल path retardation, lateral strip of fringe, displacement of fringe by the introduction of a thin plate glass, ray light refractometer, interference in the thin film or colors the thin films, interference due to reflection of light in thin films, condition of maxima and minima, interference due to transmitted light in thin films, condition for maxima and minima, Newton's ring by reflected light, diameter of rings, diameter of dark rings, determination of the wave-light of the using Newton's ring theory of formula, methods, determination of refractive index of liquid, Haidinger fringe, Michelson interferometer, construction, working, circular fringe, strange fringe, white light fringe, application of Michelson interferometer, determinants of wavelength on monochromatic lights using Michelson interferometer. 1.20 determination of diffraction in two neighboring wavelength bites of spectral line, determination of refractive index of thin transparent film, Tymon and Green interferometer, multiplication beam interference, intensity distribution of interference pattern of reflective wave, intensity distribution in interference pattern of transitive wave, Fabry-Perot interferometer, construction, condition of maxima and minima intensity, sharpness of fringe. Unit 2 diffraction of light, diffraction of lights, Fresnel half period zone, construction of half period zone, area of zones, intensity of external point due to spherical wave fronts. 2.0 intensity of external point due to cylindrical wave front, rectilinear propagation of light, zone plate, theory of zone plate. 103 action like a convex lens. 104 local length of plate zone. 104 multiply foci of zone. 105 diffraction of a straight edge, intensity of geometric shadow, explanation of diffraction bands, positron and with of the maxima and minima intensity, Fraunhofer diffraction at a single slit, the Fresnel diagram, methods of Fraunhofer diffraction at a slit, integral calculus, methods of Fraunhofer diffraction at a slit, Fraunhofer diffraction at circular aperture, resolving power of an optical instrument of resolution of image, ray light precision of resolution, resolving of a powder telescope, resolving power of a microscope, phase construct microscope, unparalleled slit of diffraction grading, diffraction of unparalleled slit and intensity distribution, position of principal maxima, position of minima, position of secondary maxima, plane grating, blaze grating, concave grating, theory of concave grating. 2.20 diffraction methods of mounting of concave grating, round land mounting, Paschen rungs mounting, glass mounting. 2.21 resolving power of a grating, experiment all determinants of the resolving power of a grating, resolving power of a prism. Unit 3 polarization of light. 150 181 से 252. 3.1 transverse natural of light wave, polarization of light. 3.3 distinguish between polarized and unpolarized light. 3.4 representation of light vibration, Brewster's law, polarization of refraction piles or plates, double refracting crystal and double refraction optics, axis of uniaxial crystal, principal selection and the principle of the crystals, Nichols prism, construction, working Nichols prism as an analyzer, Huygens theory of double diffraction in the uniaxial crystal, polarions, use of polarions. 3.11 phase retardation plates, 3.1 quarters wave plates, half wave plates, babinets, compressor, plane, circulatory and elliptical polarized light, production of elliptical and circular polarized light from linear polarized light, 3.1 प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्लेन पोलराइज लाइट, 204 डिटेक्शन ऑफ प्लेन पोलराइज लाइट, 205 3.18 प्रोडक्शन ऑफ सर्कुलरली पोलराइज लाइट, 205 डिटेक्शन ऑफ इलिप्टिकली पोलराइज लाइट, डबल इमेज प्रिज्म, रोंचन प्रिज्म, वोलास्टन्स प्रिज्म, ऑप्टिकल रोटेशन, फ्रेजनल थ्योरी ऑफ ऑप्टिकल रोटेशन, रोटेशन ऑफ प्लेन of polarized for optical inactive crystal, 209 rotation of plane of polarized for optical active crystals, experimental verification of Fresnel theory, specific rotation, Lorentz half set polarimeter, working determination of specific rotation of sugar solution, binge quartz plates, binge quartz polarimeter, working determination of specific rotation, matrix representation of plane polarized wave, matrix polarization, linear polarization, circularly polarization light, elliptical polarization light, orthogonal polarization light, retardation plate and rotational molecular calculation, unit 4, लेजर 253-284, प्योरिटी ऑफ ए स्पेक्ट्रल लाइन, कोहेरेंस एंड टाइम एंड कोहेरेंस लेंथ, स्पेक्ट्रिक कोहेरेंस, टेम्परल कोहेरेंस, स्पॉन्टेनियस इमिशन एंड स्टिमुलेटेड इमिशन ऑफ रेडिएशन, स्टिमुलेटेड और इंडक्शन एब्जॉर्प्शन, स्पॉन्टेनियस इमिशन, सिमुलेटेड और इंट्रोड्यूस इमिशन, आइंस्टीन ए एंड बी कोफिशिएंट, कंडीशन फॉर लेजर एक्शन, पॉपुलर इन्वर्जन, पंपिंग प्रोसेस, ऑप्टिकल पंपिंग, इलेक्ट्रिकल पंपिंग, 3 और 4 लेवल लेजर सिस्टम, 3 लेवल लेजर सिस्टम, 4 लेवल लेजर सिस्टम, 4.1 पल्स एंड टर्नल लेजर, पल्स्ड लेजर, टर्नल लेजर, रूबी लेजर, लेजर ऑपरेशन, यूज ऑफ रूबी लेजर, हीलियम नियॉन लेजर, कंस्ट्रक्शन, working application of laser, spontaneous coherence of directionality, emission of beam intensity, unit first, interference of light, when two or more wave travel in a medium of simultaneously in a direction, it is observed that the net displacement of wave and an intense is the algebraic sum of displacement due to each wave, and it is called superposition. Of a principle of superposition, it states that the displacement at an instant due to number of wave meeting simultaneously at a point in a medium, in the vector sum of the individual displacement due to each wave at that point at the same times. If y1, y2, y3 are the displacement due to individual wave at a particular time and at particular position, then the resultant displacement y vector at the same times at the given position will be y equal to y1 vector plus y2 vector plus y3 vector. If it is the general principle of superposition of wave and it's applicable to all kinds of wave, as the special case when the superposition of wave of the same frequency takes place, then the resultant amplitude of intensity is somewhere larger and somewhere greater than the amplitude or intensity due to the single wave. The modification of amplitude or intensity is called interference between the wave. Resultant intensity due to superposition of two waves. Let S1 and S2 are two similar parallel slits which are illuminated by a monochromatic light and are very close to each other. Now we find the resultant intensity of light at point P on the screen AB placed at a distance D from the source S1 and S2, figure 1.1. Let A1 and A2 are the amplitude and P due to wave emitting from S1 and S2 respectively. These wave may be represented by y1 equal to a1 sin omega t, y2 equal to a2 sin omega t plus lambda, P O B D S1 S2, where lambda is the phase difference between the wave at point P. By the principle of superposition, the resultant displacement at P may be given as y equal to y1 plus y2 equal to a1 sin omega t plus a2 sin cosine omega t plus lambda equal to a1 sin omega t plus a2 sin omega t cos delta plus a2 sin delta cos omega t equal to sin omega t cosine a1 plus a2 cos delta cosine 1 plus a2 sin delta cos omega t. Now if we take r is cos theta equal to a1 plus a2 cos delta 1 and r sin theta equal to a2 sin delta 2, where r and theta are new constant, then y equal to sin omega t r cos theta plus r sin theta cos omega t, r y equal to r sin cosine omega t plus theta 3. The value of r and theta is given by the equation 1 and 2. Using 1 and 2 we get r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta equal to a1 square plus a2 square cos square delta plus 2 a1 a2 cos delta plus 2 square sin square delta r square equal to a1 square plus a2 square plus 2 a1 a2 cos delta, and tan theta equal to a2 bata a2 sin delta bata a1 plus a2 cos delta. We know that the intensity at a point is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude of the wave. So the resultant I at point P is given by I proportional to r square, or I is equal to r square. Proportionality constant is 1. I is equal to a1 square plus a2 square plus 2 a1 a2 cos delta. Phase difference and path difference. If the path difference between two waves is delta, then the phase difference is equal to 2 pi. For a path difference x, the phase difference will be 2 pi bata lambda x. Here the path difference is equal to s2p minus s1p. So the phase difference delta is equal to 2 pi bata lambda cosine s2p minus s1p. Special case, if the phase difference delta is equal to 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 2n pi, or phase difference x equal to 0, lambda, 2 lambda, n lambda, then the intensity I in maximum from equation 6 I is equal to a1 square plus a2 square plus 2 a1 a2 is equal to cosine a1 plus a2 cosine 1 is equal to 4a square. If a1 is equal to a2 is equal to a, so the maximum intensity is greater than the sum of two individual intensity at these is called constructive interference. If the phase difference delta is equal to pi, 3 pi, cosine 2n plus 1 cosine 1 pi, or the path difference x is equal to lambda bata 2, 3 lambda bata 2, 2n plus 1 cosine 1 lambda bata 2, then the intensity I will be minimum. I is equal to a1 square plus a2 square minus 2 a1 a2, or I is equal to cosine a1 minus a2 का whole square is equal to 0. If a1 is equal to a2 is equal to a, so the minimum intensity is less than the sum of the two individual intensity, and it is called destructive interference. Thus as we move on the screen, the path difference between the two waves change gradually, and there is a variation in the intensity of light being alternating maximum and minimum. This pattern of alternate maximum brightness and the minimum darkness intensity is known as interference of fringe. Interference of fringe, when two waves of the same frequency travel in the same direction and have a constant phase difference with each other, the resultant intensity of light is not distributed uniformly in space. The non-uniform distribution of light intensity due to the superposition of two waves is called interference. At some points the intensity is maximum, while the some other points the intensity is minimum. The maximum intensity is called constructive interference, while the minimum intensity is called destructive interference. Generally, when two lights wave meets the interfere, we get alternate dark and bright band. These are called interference fringe. Chest thrust screen X, K, H, G, F, E, screen Y. In the year 1802, Young demonstrated an experiment on the interference of light. He passed sunlight through a pinhole S and then through two pinholes S1 and S2, making two coherent sources at the point in figure 1.2. S1 and S2 are two equidistant from S and are closed to each other. Let S1 S2 is equal to 2D. Finally, light is received on a screen XY which is Placed at a distance d from the slit, he observed the alternate dark and bright spot on the screen. This spot can be explained due to the interference of light wave. Wave theory of light state that spherical wave spread out from S and also from S1 and S2. According to Huygens principle, S1 and S2 becomes the center of secondary wave. Let's full stop there. Radii increases as they moves away from S1 and S2, so they get super repose more and more on each other at point where a crest or throw due to one falls on the crest question although due to the other. The resultant amplitude is the sum of the amplitude due to each wave separately. Full stop. The intensity which is proportional to the square of the amplitude at these points in therefore maximum. It is the case of constructive interference at point where a crest due to one falls on the throw due to the other. The resultant amplitude is the difference of the amplitude due to separate wave and the resultant intensity is minimum. Full stop. This is the case of destructive interference. Two slit interference. Let S be the narrow slit illuminated by monochromatic lights and S1 and S2 are two parallel narrow slits which are very close to each other and equidistant from S. The light wave from S arrive at S1 and S2 in the same phase. These two sources S1 and S2 are identical in the all respect. Figure 1.3. Finally, light is received on the screen AB. The light wave from S arrived at S1 and S2 in the same phase. Those sources S1 and S2 are identical in all respect. Finally, light is received on a screen AB which is placed at the distance d from the slit. One can observe the alternate dark and bright spot on the screen due to interference. Fringe with in Young experiment. Let at any instant wave from S1 and S2 which reach at point P on the screen AB. Let S1 S2 is equal to 2D or D OR is equal to D at RP is equal to X. To get the resultant intensity at P, we join S1P and S2P. Now the two wave meeting at P are following the difference path S1P and S2P, so we calculate the path difference S2P minus S1P from the figure 1.3 in del S1P R1 S1P का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू S1 R1 का स्क्वायर प्लस R1P का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू OR का स्क्वायर प्लस R1P का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू D स्क्वायर प्लस X माइनस D का होल स्क्वायर. फिगर यही है S1 S2. तो S1P इक्वल टू D स्क्वायर प्लस X माइनस D का होल स्क्वायर कहते 1/2 इक्वल टू D क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस X माइनस D का होल स्क्वायर बटा D स्क्वायर. आर सिमिलरली इन डेल S2P R2 S2P का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू S2 R2 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस P R2 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू OR का स्क्वायर प्लस P R2 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू D का स्क्वायर प्लस X प्लस D का होल स्क्वायर. S2P इक्वल टू D क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस X प्लस D का होल स्क्वायर बटा के D का स्क्वायर के पावर 1/2. सो S2P माइनस S1P इक्वल टू D क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस X प्लस D का होल स्क्वायर बटा के बड़का D का स्क्वायर के कहते 1/2 माइनस D क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस X माइनस D का होल स्क्वायर बटा के बड़का D का स्क्वायर कहते 1/2. बट वी हैव D इज लेस देन X प्लस D और X माइनस D. सो X माइनस D का स्क्वायर बटा के बड़का D का स्क्वायर एंड X प्लस D का स्क्वायर बटा के D स्क्वायर इज वेरी स्मॉल. Therefore, by using binomial theorem, we have S2P minus S1P equal to D plus 1/2 क्वेश्चन में X plus D का होल स्क्वायर बटा के D माइनस D माइनस 1/2 X माइनस D का होल स्क्वायर बटा के D और S2P माइनस S1P equal to 1/2 D क्वेश्चन में X plus D का होल स्क्वायर माइनस क्वेश्चन में X माइनस D का होल स्क्वायर equal to 2XD बटा के बड़का D. If the path difference S2P minus S1P is the whole numbers multiplying of the wavelength delta, then point P is brings are at the point the intensity is maximum. Let the P be the center of nth bright fringe, then फ्रॉम द ब्रिंग्स फ्रिंज S2P minus S1P is equal to 2 x ऑफिस में n d बटा के बड़का d इक्वल टू l लैम्डा वेयर n इक्वल टू 0, 1, 2 डॉट x ऑफिस में n इक्वल टू d बटा 2d l लैम्डा समीकरण नंबर। This equation gives the distance of brings fringe from the point R at R. The path difference is 0 and the a brings image is formed n is equal to 1, x1 is equal to बड़का डी लैम्डा बटा के 2d n इक्वल टू 2, x2 इक्वल टू 2 बड़का डी लैम्डा बटा के 2d n इक्वल टू 3, x3 इक्वल टू 3d लैम्डा बटा के 2d x ऑफिस में n इक्वल टू n d लैम्डा बटा के 2d x ऑफिस में n प्लस 1 इक्वल टू n प्लस 1 d लैम्डा बटा के 2d। देयरफॉर द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द एनी टू कंस्टिट्यूटिव ब्रिंग्स इमेज x ऑफिस में n प्लस 1 माइनस x ऑफिस में n इक्वल टू x3 माइनस x2 इक्वल टू x2 माइनस x1 इक्वल टू d बड़का डी लैम्डा बटा के 2d। It is independent of Young's, hence the distance spacing between any two consecutive light fringe is the same. Similarly, if the path difference S2P minus S1P is the odd number multiplying of half wavelength, then the point P is dark or at point P is intensity is minimum. Let the point be the center Young's dark fringe. Then from dark fringe S2P minus S1P is equal to 2 x ऑफिस में n d बटा के बड़का d is equal to 2n plus 1 कोष्ठक 1 लैम्डा बटा के 2 where n is equal to 1, 0, 1, 2 r x ऑफिस में n is equal to 2n plus 1 कोष्ठक 1 लैम्डा बड़का d बटा के 2.2 d do. This equation gives the distance of dark fringe from the point r. If n is equal to 0, x not is equal to d lambda बटा के 2.2d n is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 3 d lambda बटा के 2.2d n is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 5 d lambda बटा के 2.2d and x ऑफिस में n is equal to 2n plus 1 कोष्ठक 1 d lambda बटा के 2.2d. Also x ऑफिस में n plus 1 is equal to 2n plus 3 कोष्ठक 1 d lambda बटा के 2.2d. Therefore the spacing between any two consecutive dark image x ऑफिस में n plus 1 minus x ऑफिस में n is equal to s2 minus s1 is equal to d lambda बटा के 2d. Again it is independent of n, hence the distance between two consecutive dark fringe in the same, hence the spacing between any two consecutive brights of dark fringe in the same and is called fringe width. It is indicated by beta. Thus beta is equal to बड़का डी बटा के 2d लैम्डा 3. रिटार्डेशन इक्वेशन 3 इज द वार्टली टू बी नोट्स. पहला द वाइड्स ऑफ फ्रिंज इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट बीटा प्रोपोर्शनल टू लैम्डा. दूसरा द वाइड्स फ्रिंज इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू डिस्टेंस ऑन द स्क्रीन द सोर्स बीटा इक्वल टू डी. तीसरा बीटा इक्वल टू बड़का डी बटा के 2d लैम्डा. Retardation equation 3 is worthily to be noted that the widths of the fringe is directly proportional to the wavelength of light beta is proportional to lambda. दूसरा the widths of fringe is directly proportional to distance of the screen from the source beta is proportional to d. तीसरा the widths of fringe is inversely proportional to the distance between two source beta is proportional to 1/2d. Thus if the widths of the increasing then the fringe width decreases. Example 1, a light of wavelength 51 angstrom from a narrow slit is incident on a double slit. If the overall separation of fringe on a screen kept 200 semi away is 200 semi, find the slit separation. Solution: we know that the fringe width beta is equal to बड़का d बटा 2 small d lambda, where d is the distance on the screen from slit, lambda is the wavelength of light used at 2d is the separation between screen given. Thus beta is equal to 2 semi or beta is equal to 0.2 semi, d is equal to 200 semi, lambda is equal to 5100 angstrom is equal to 5100 गुणे 10 - 8 semi. Putting the value we get 0.2 is equal to 200 गुणे 51 गुणे 10 - 6 बटा के 2d और 2d is equal to 5100 गुणे 200 गुणे 10 - 6 बटा के 0.2. 2d is equal to 51 गुणे 10 - 3 is equal to 0.0151 semi. Example 2, if young double slit experiment or separation of slit in 1.9 mm and the fringe spacing is 0.31 mm at the distance from 1 mm from the slits, calculate the wavelength of light. solution. The fringe with beta is equal to बड़का d बटा 2d lambda, given that d is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 semi, 2d is equal to 1.9 mm is equal to 0.19 semi, and beta is equal to 0.31 semi is equal to 0.031 semi. Putting the value we get 0.031 is equal to 100 गुड़े लैम्डा बटा 0.19, लैम्डा is equal to 0.031 गुड़े 0.19 बटा 100 is equal to 589 गुड़े 10 मैंने 7 सेमी is equal to 5890 एंगस्ट्राम. Example 3. Two straight narrow parallel slit 2 mm apart illuminated with a monochromatic lights from wavelength 5890 angstrom. Fringe are observed at the distance of 60 semi from the slit. Find the width of fringe. The width of fringe is given by beta is equal to d बटा 2d बड़का डी बटा 2d लैम्डा. हियर डी इज इक्वल टू 60 एंगस्ट सेमी, लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 5890 एंगस्ट्रॉम एंड 2d इज इक्वल टू 2.0 mm इज इक्वल टू 0.2 सेमी. पुटिंग द वैल्यू वी गेट बीटा इज इक्वल टू 5890 गुणे 10 खाते माइनस 8 गुणे 60 बटा के 0.2 इज इक्वल टू 1.76 गुणे 10 खाते माइनस 2 सेमी इज इक्वल टू 0.76 mm. फ्रेजनल बी प्रिज्म बाई प्रिज्म. A biprism is a combination of two identical right-angled prism of very small refracting angle of the order of 30 thus joined base to the base as shown in figure 1.4. In actual practice, the biprism is made from a single glass plates by grading a polishing so that it is single prism with one of its angle of 179 degree and the other two angles to about 1/2 6 degree each. The biprism is used to obtain two coherent source to produce subtended interference 179 alpha 1.4. Format of fringe. A source of monochromatic light illuminates a narrow vertical slit. Yes, the light from yes is allowed to symmetrical on the biprism ABC. The placed at a small distance from yes, having its refracting edge parallel to the slit. Each half of biprism refracts the incident light in the different direction and produce virtual image of yes as shown in figure 1.5. The distance between yes and biprism ABC is known just that the virtual image S1, S2 and quite close each other. Now these two virtual sources S1 and S2 may be supposed to act as coherent source interference fringe of equal widths and produce in the overlapping region EH of the screen in which the light reach from S1 and S2 both beyond E and H fringe of large widths and produce which are due to diffraction. To observe the fringe, the screen can be replaced by an eyepiece of a lower power microscope. S1 S S2 2D E GE0HF. Expression of fringe width. Let the distance between S1 and S2 the two virtual source be 2D and बड़का D is the distance of the screen from the source on which the fringe are obtained. The point R on the screen is equidistant from S1 and S2. Therefore, the wave from S1 and S2 reach are in the same phase are reinforce each other, so the points R will be the center of a fringe while the illumination brings brightness or darkness at any other point P on the screen will depends upon the pair difference between the wave from S1 and S2. S1 S2 2D A P R1 R R2 X D 1.6 V. The derives the expression are fringe with join S1P and S2P and draw perpendicular S1 R1 and S2 R2 on the screen AB. Let RP is equal to X. Then from the figure 1.6 एस टू पी का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एस टू आर टू का होल स्क्वायर प्लस पी आर टू का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू डी स्क्वायर प्लस क्वेश्चन में एक्स प्लस डी का होल स्क्वायर एस टू पी इक्वल टू डी स्क्वायर प्लस क्वेश्चन में एक्स प्लस डी का होल स्क्वायर के पावर 1/2 इक्वल टू डी क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस एक्स प्लस डी का होल स्क्वायर और बटा डी स्क्वायर कहते हैं 1/2 डी इक्वल टू डी क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस 1/2 एक्स प्लस डी का होल स्क्वायर बटा डी स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस डी लेस देन डी एस वन पी का होल स्क्वायर प्लस इक्वल टू एस वन आर वन का स्क्वायर प्लस पी आर वन का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू डी स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स माइनस डी का होल स्क्वायर एस वन पी इक्वल टू डी क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस एक्स माइनस डी का होल स्क्वायर बटा डी स्क्वायर दिखाते 1/2 इक्वल टू डी क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस 1/2 एक्स माइनस डी का होल स्क्वायर बटा डी स्क्वायर एस टू पी माइनस एस वन पी इक्वल टू डी प्लस 1/2 क्वेश्चन में एक्स प्लस डी का होल स्क्वायर बटा डी माइनस डी माइनस 1/2 एक्स माइनस डी का होल स्क्वायर बटा डी इक्वल टू 2 डी बटा डी द रिजल्टेंट इंटेंसिटी एट ए पॉइंट पी इज मैक्सिमम इफ the pair difference between the wave in the integral multiples of wavelengths if let the points p be the center of nth right fringe then 2x n d बटा के बड़का d इक्वल टू l लैम्डा वेयर n इक्वल टू 0, 1, 2 n x n इक्वल टू d बटा के 2d l लैम्डा this equation gives the distance of the nth bright fringe from the point r at the r path difference is 0 and the bright's image is formed if n equal to x1 equal to बड़का d बटा के 2d lambda n equal to 2 x2 equal to d 2 lambda बटा के 2d and x sub n equal to बड़का d n lambda बटा के 2d also x sub n plus 1 equal to d cosine n plus 1 cosine 1 lambda बटा के 2d therefore the distance between any two consecutive fringe equal to x sub n plus 1 minus x sub n is equal to x2 minus x1 is equal to d lambda बटा के 2d if it is the independent of n hence the distance spacing between of any consecutive bright fringe is the same. Similarly, if the path difference between the waves s2p minus s1p is the odd multiplication of the half wavelength, then the point p is dark or at point p intensity is minimum. Let the point p is the center of n dark fringe. Let then x2 x n d बटा d इक्वल टू 2 n plus 1 क्वेश्चन 1 लैम्डा बटा 2 वेयर n इक्वल टू 0, 2, 1, 2 डर x n इक्वल टू 2 n plus 1 क्वेश्चन 1 लैम्डा बटा d बटा 4d. This equation gives the distance of nth fringe from the point r if n इक्वल टू 0 x naught इक्वल टू लैम्डा d बटा 4d n इक्वल टू 1 x 1 इक्वल टू 3 लैम्डा बटा d बटा 4d स्मॉल d n2 इक्वल टू x2 5 लैम्डा d बटा के 4d and x n इक्वल टू 2 n plus 1 क्वेश्चन 1 लैम्डा बटा d बटा के 4d also x n plus 1 इक्वल टू 2 क्वेश्चन में n plus 1 plus 1 क्वेश्चन 1 लैम्डा बटा d बटा के 4d. Therefore the spacing between any two consecutive dark fringe x n plus 1 minus x n इक्वल टू x2 minus x1 इक्वल टू x1 minus x naught इक्वल टू d लैम्डा बटा के 2d. Again it is independent of n hence the distance spacing between any two consecutive dark fringe in the same as the case of bright fringe. Hence the spacing between any two consecutive brights of dark fringe is the same and it's called fringe white. It represented by beta is equal to d lambda बटा के 2d. Example for a biprism is placed 5 semi away from a slit illuminated by sodium lights. Lambda is equal to 5890 angstrom. The whites of fringe obtained on a screen kept at 75 semi from the biprism is 9.4 minus 2 semi. What is the distance between two coherent sources? Solution: we have beta is equal to d lambda बटा 2d where d is the distance of the screen from the source, lambda is the wavelength of the used, beta is the fringe whites and 2d is the distance between the coherent source. Here beta is equal to 9.4 गुणे 10 मैंने 2 सेमी d इक्वल टू 75 प्लस 5 80 सेमी एंड लैम्डा इक्वल टू 5890. पुटिंग द वैल्यू वी गेट 2d इक्वल टू 80 गुणे 5890 गुणे 10 करते मैंने 60 बटा के 9.424 गुणे 10 करते मैंने 2 इक्वल टू 4.7 2 10 करते मैंने 10 बटा के 9.424 सेमी इक्वल टू 0.05 सेमी. Example 5. Calculate the separation between two coherents formed by a biprism whose inclined face makes angle of 1 degree. with the base the slit source is 20 semi from biprism mu equal to 1.5. Solution: the separation between two coherent slits is given by 2d is equal to 2a question mu plus minus 1 question alpha, where a is the source to biprism distance, mu is the diffractive index of the biprism material, and alpha is the angle of biprism, and 2d is the separation of slit. Here are given that a is equal to 20 semi, mu is equal to 1.5 and alpha is equal to 1 extra is equal to पाई बटा के 180 रेडियन. पुटिंग द वैल्यू वी गेट 2d इक्वल टू 2 गुणे 20 क्वेश्चन में 1.5 माइनस 1 क्वेश्चन 1 पाई बटा के 180 इक्वल टू 40 गुणे 0.5 गुणे 22 बटा के 7 गुणे 180 इक्वल टू 0.35 सेमी. एग्जाम्पल 6 इफ biprism experiment of prism and observe is 0.087 mm, what will the becomes in if the slit to biprism distance is reduced to 3/4, the origin distance through all remaining things unchanged. Solution: the separation between the virtual source is given by 2d is equal to 2a question में mu minus 1 question alpha, where a is the source to biprism distance, mu is the refractive index of the biprism material, and alpha is the angle of biprism, and 2d is the separation of slit. Here given that the slit biprism distance a is reduced to 3/4, then by the above said formula the separation 2d will also becomes 3/4 of the its original value. Hence the fringe with whites will be बीटा इक्वल डी लेमडा बटा 2d इक्वल बड़का डी लेमडा बटा के 2d गुणे 3/4 इक्वल टू 4.3 डी लेमडा बटा 2d इक्वल टू 4.3 गुणे 0.087 इक्वल टू 0.116 mm. Condition for interference of light: if we have two or more sources of light sending waves simultaneously in region and according to definition we must always have phenomena of interference, but in particle this interference pattern is not good or visible. To obtain a well defined observable interference pattern, the intensity at the point corresponding constructive and destructive interference must be maintained maximum and minimum 0 respectively. For obtaining a visible interference, following condition must be fulfilled. पहला, the two interfering wave should be coherent. The wave must be in the same phase or must have a constant phase difference. If the phase difference is not constant, change with time. If then at any point constructive interference may be exist, and a short times later at this point destructive interference may be. Hence the same point will appear sometimes bright and sometimes dark, or pattern will not be Sutens. So this condition is known as condition of Sutens interference. दूसरा, the two wave must have the same wavelength and frequency. Source should be monochromatic. If the source are chromatic, have the many frequency, then overlapping the various colored fringe will produce a confused pattern of fringe. Also, if the wavelengths are different, the phase difference between the two will continuously vary. Hence the intensity of at the same point will vary. Then the two wave must have the same amplitude. If it is not so, the minimum amplitude a1 minus a2 will not be 0, and good contrast between bright and dark fringe will not observed. So this condition is known as the condition for good construction. If it is also noticed that the fringe with the is given by d equal to d lambda बटा 2d. So the interference is clearly observed. Fringe पहला, the separation between the light source 2d should be very small. दूसरा, the distance d between source and screen must kept quite large. Here it is important to note that according to theories of light, every source emerging the light emits a continuous wave only for very short time, thus nothing minus 8 seconds, and after that it emits a phase wave having different initial phase. The change in phase disturb in interference pattern, so the two independent sources can never maintain a constant phase difference even for a short time, and therefore can never be considered to be have a coherent source. Thus, to obtain certain interference pattern, we take two source origined by the same source as in Young experiment. Requirement of coherent source: two sources are said to be coherent if they emit light wave of the same frequency, nearly the same amplitude, and the maintains a constant phase difference with each other. In actual it is not possible that two independent sources and coherence. So for experimental purpose, two virtual sources are formed by placing the two narrow slits in front of a single source. Thus, all the random phase change occurring in the parent source are repeated in the secondary source, so that the phase remain constant. These are called coherent source of light. Coherent source of light is main condition of interference. Optical path retardation: when a thin transparent plate is introduced in the path of one of two interference beam, the optical path of that beam is retardation and known as optical path retardation. Lateral shift fringe: when a thin transparent plate is introduced in a path of the two interference beams, the uh, entire fringe pattern is shifted toward the beam in the path of which plates introduced. These shifts of entire path pattern is known as lateral shift of fringe. 2D S S1 S2 P R dash R D 1.7 B 1.9 displacement of fringe judged by the introduction of a thin plates of glass. When a thin transparent plate is introduced in the path of one of two interfering beams, or entire fringe pattern is displayed to a point toward the beams of in the paths of which each plate is introduced. Let S1 and S2 be coherent monochromatic source of lights which are produce interfering fringe on the screen. Figure 1.7. In such a way that R is position of its central bright fringe, since the optical paths S1R and S2R are equal. Let a thin glass plate's thickness T and refractive index mu be introduced in the path of one of the beam. Let S1 light from S1 travel parity in air and partly in the plates, while lights from S2 travel wholly in air. So the path difference between the light beams will be changes, and also fringe system. Since the glass plates is placed in the path of S1P, the fringe must be shifted upward. Then the central fringe shift to the position R dash question. At this position, the optical path S1 R dash is equal to the S2 R dash question. Let the nth fringe lies at the P, then the path difference between S2P and S1P is equal to S2P minus question S1P minus T question plus mu T is equal to S2P minus S1P minus question mu minus 1 question T. Also we have S2P minus S1P is equal to 2xd बटा के d, where 2d is equal to S1 S2 and d is equal to displacement on screen S1 and S2 R and Rp is equal to x. Effective path difference at P is equal to 2xd बटा के बड़का d minus question में mu minus 1 question T. Let the point be the center of n beings fringe देन द पाथ डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू एन लेमडा टू एक्स सफिक्स में एन डी बटा डी माइनस क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी इसको एन लेमडा एक्स सफिक्स में एन इसको डी बटा टू डी क्वेश्चन वन एन लेमडा प्लस क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी इन द absence of plate t is equal to 0 the distance of the nth bright fringe from r is n बड़का डी लेमडा बटा के 2d therefore the lateral shift of n being fringe due to the thin plate of glass in one of the two interference beam is given by x naught is equal to d बटा के 2d बड़का डी बटा के 2d क्वेश्चन में n लेमडा प्लस क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी क्वेश्चन वन माइनस एन डी लेमडा बटा टू डी एक्स नॉट इक्वल टू डी बटा टू डी क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी इक्वल टू बीटा बटा लेमडा क्वेश्चन वन म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी बीटा इक्वल टू डी बटा टू डी लेमडा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ एन सो द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज द सेम ऑफ द bright fringe central of any other similar it can be determined that the displacement of any dark fringe is also बड़का डी बटा के 2d क्वेश्चन वन दूसरे क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी दस द इंटायर फ्रिंज सिस्टम इज डिस्प्लेस्ड थ्रू ए डिस्टेंस बड़का डी बटा के 2d क्वेश्चन वन दूसरे क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी इज अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन सिमिलरली व्हेन the plates is introduced to in S2P beams then the entire fringe system is displaced through a distance बड़का डी बटा 2d क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी is the downward direction in this shifting of fringe the fringe width remains same we can prove this follow if the central fringe is putting n is equal to 0 in equation 1 x naught is equal to d बटा के 2d क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी सिमिलरली x1 is equal to d बटा के 2d क्वेश्चन वन लेमडा प्लस क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी x2 is equal to d बटा के 2d क्वेश्चन में 2 लेमडा प्लस क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन टी x सफिक्स में n is equal to बड़का d बटा के 2d क्वेश्चन में 2 n लेमडा प्लस क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी x सफिक्स में n प्लस वन is equal to d बटा के 2d क्वेश्चन में n प्लस वन क्वेश्चन वन लेमडा प्लस म्यू माइनस वन द फ्रिंज विथ बीटा इक्वल टू x2 माइनस x1 इक्वल टू x3 माइनस x2 इक्वल टू x सफिक्स में n प्लस वन माइनस x सफिक्स में इक्वल टू d बटा 2d क्वेश्चन में n लेमडा प्लस क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी माइनस l लेमडा माइनस क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी बीटा इक्वल टू d बटा 2d लेमडा which is the same as before for all three the wavelength lambda of the lights of the thickness of plate t can be determined if mu comma t are lambda comma x naught and beta are known as the displacement x naught at the fringe bites beta can be determined in the experiments however if x naught comma beta comma lambda and t are given the value of mu can be calculated example 7 a thin sheets of plastic of refractive index 1.45 of light wavelength 5890 angstrom is inserted normally in the path of one of interfering beams the central beam's bright fringe shift through 5 fringes if the thickness of the fringe solution we have the shift fringe x naught is equal to d बटा 2d क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी बीटा बटा लेमडा म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी बीटा इक्वल टू डी लेमडा बटा 2d आर 5 बीटा इक्वल टू बीटा बटा लेमडा क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी आर टी इक्वल टू 5 लेमडा बटा म्यू माइनस वन गिवन दैट म्यू इक्वल टू 1.45 कामा लेमडा इक्वल टू 5890 एंगस्ट्रॉम कामा एक्स नॉट इक्वल टू 5 बीटा where beta is the fringe width putting the value we get t equal to 5 बटे 5890 गुणे 10 घात माइनस 8 बटा के 1.45 माइनस 1 सेमी इक्वल टू 6.544 गुणे 10 घात माइनस 4 सेमी एग्जांपल 8 a thin sheet of glass of thickness 6 गुणे 10 घात माइनस 4 सेमी is placed in the path of one of the interfering beams the central bright band shift a distance equal to the brights of thin bands calculate the refractive index of the glass if wavelength of light used is 6 minus 5 semi solution the shift in the fringe is given by x naught is equal to d lambda बटा 2d क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी x naught is equal to बीटा बटा लेमडा क्वेश्चन वन। दूसरे क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन वन टी बीटा इक्वल टू डी लेमडा बटा 2d गिवन दैट एक्स नॉट इक्वल टू 3 बीटा कमा लेमडा इक्वल टू 6 × 10⁻5 सेमी एंड टी इक्वल टू 6 × 10⁻4 सेमी। पुटिंग द वैल्यू वी गेट 3 बीटा इक्वल टू बीटा क्वेश्चन में म्यू माइनस वन क्वेश्चन में 6 × 10⁻4 बटा के 6 × 10⁻5 म्यू माइनस वन इक्वल टू 0.3 आर म्यू इक्वल टू 13.3। रे लाइट इन फ्रैक्टोमीटर ray line in fractometer is shown in figure x. Light from a monochromatic source yes after passing through the slit incident on the lens L1 the parallel beam is split in the two beams by the slit S1 and S2 L S1 S2 T1 T2 L2 E. These coherence beam pass through two similar tubes T1 and T2. Interference fringes are absorbed in the focal planes of the lens L2 with the help of eyepiece. Relief refractometer is used to determine the refractive index of gases. Initial both the tube T1 and T2 are evacuated and the central white fringe is observed in the field of view of the eyepiece. Now the gas holes refractometer index is to be determined is introduced in tube T1 at no pressure and temperature. Then the central white fringe shift from the field of view as the optical path of the beam increases. The central white fringe is brought back to the center of the field of view. The number of fringe passed across the field of view noted. If the length of tube is L and mu is the refractive index of the gas, then the change of the optical path difference mu minus 1 question 1 L equal to m lambda, where m is the number of fringe passed across the field of view. Hence mu can be calculated. Example now, when one of the tube of a light refractometer is fully evacuated and the other tube is filled with air at atmospheric pressure 150 fringe across the field of view, the wavelength of light used is 5000 Angstrom. The tube is 25 semi long. Calculate the refractive index of the air at atmospheric pressure. Solution. For ray live refractometer we have mu minus 1 question 1 L equal to n lambda. Here given that L equal to 25 semi equal to 0.25 n equal to 150 and lambda equal to 5000 Angstrom equal to 5 × 10⁻7. Putting the value of mu minus 1 0.25 equal to 150 5 × 10⁻7. mu minus 1 equal to 150 5 × 10⁻7 बटा 0.25 equal to 3 × 10⁻4. mu equal to 1 plus 0.0003 equal to 1.003. Interference in a thin film are colored of thin film. Newtons and Hooke's observed at developed the interference phenomena due to multiply refraction from the surface of a thin transparent material. When a thin film of the oil spread on the surface of water or thin glass plate, if illuminated by a source of light, sun or other source, interference occur between the light wave reflected from the film and also in between the light wave transmitted through the film. As a result, some brilliant colors are seen in the film. Similar colors phenomena is also exhibited by soap bubbles. Interference due to refracted thin light in thin film. Consider a transport film is of thickness T and refractive index mu is greater than 1. That a array of monochromatic lights PQ be incident on the upper surface of the film. Figure 1.9. PQ ray is partly refracted among QR and partially refracted along QS. At S is again partially reflected along ST and partly refracted along SB, and this process continue throughout the film. Thus we get a set of several reflected and transmitted rays coming out from the film. Let us consider the reflected ray only. यहाँ है पी एन आर, ये ओ एल एस एयर म्यू एयर. The difference in the path between the reflected ray QR and TU can be calculated. Draw TN normal and QR and QM to ST. The angle of incidence is I and the angle of refraction is R. The optional optical path difference between ray QR and TU x is equal to mu question में QS plus ST question 1 minus QN. We have that mu is equal to sin I बटे sin R is equal to Q1 बटा TM. QN is equal to mu TM x is equal to mu question में QS plus ST question 1 minus mu TM is equal to Q question mu question में QS plus ST minus TM question 1 equal to mu question में OT minus TM is equal to mu question में OM. In the triangle QOM cos R is equal to OM बटा के QR O R OM is equal to O QO cos R is equal to question में QL plus LO question 1 cos R is equal to 2T cos R x is equal to mu question में QM is equal to 2 mu T cos R QL is equal to LO is equal to T. Question number 1. This path difference is not actual but it is apparent because when the light is reflected from the path from the surface of an optical denser medium air medium interference, a phase change or pi equivalent to a path difference lambda by 2 occur. There is the total path difference is in this case x is equal to mu 2 mu t cos r minus l lambda minus lambda by 2 do 1.12 condition for maxima and minima. If the path difference x is equal to n lambda where n is equal to 0, 1, 2 etc. constructive interference takes place at the film will appear bright 2 mu t cos r minus n lambda by 2 is equal to n lambda r 2 mu t cos r is equal to 2 n plus 1 question 1 lambda by 2 3. It is the condition of maxima. The path difference x is equal to question में 2n minus 1 question 1 lambda by 2 where n is equal to 1, 2 etc. destructive interference takes place and the film will appear dark. क्योंकि 2 mu t cos r minus l lambda by 2 is equal to 2n minus 1 question 1 lambda by 2 2 mu t cos r is equal to n lambda. It is condition of maxima. It should be remembered that the interference pattern will not be perfect because the intensity of ray will not be the same and also their amplitude are different. Interference due to transmitted light in thin film. Consider the transparent film of thickness T and refractive index mu. A ray of monochromatic light PQ be incident on the upper surface of the film. Figure 1.10. After reflection it goes along QS full stop at S is the partially refracted along ST and partly refracted along SB full stop. The ray ST after reflection at X finally emerge along XY. Here at X and T reflection takes place at the rear medium air and interference, therefore no phase change occur. Draw SM normal to TX and XN to SB. The optical path difference between SB and XY is given by x equal to mu question ST plus TX question 1 minus SN, and we have that mu is equal to sin I bata sin R is equal to SN bata MX or SN is equal to mu MX. Figure 1.10 angle SOT is equal to R and OT is equal to ST is equal to TX ST plus TX is equal to OT plus TX is equal to OX. X is equal to mu OX minus mu MX is equal to mu question OX minus mx इक्वल टू क्यू म्यू एम इन द सिंगल ओ एस एम कास आर इक्वल टू ओ एम बटा ओ एस आर ओ एम इक्वल टू ओ एस कास आर बट ओ एस इक्वल टू टी ओ एम इक्वल टू टी कास आर एंड एक्स इक्वल टू म्यू इंटू ओ एम इक्वल टू म्यू टी कास आर कंडीशन फॉर मैक्सिमा। ये फिगर है। फॉर कंस्ट्रक्टिव इंटरफेरेंस द पैथ डिफरेंस मस्ट बी इक्वल टू एल लैम्डा 2 म्यू टी कास आर इक्वल टू एल लैम्डा एन इक्वल टू 0,1,2 etc if the condition of maxima and film will appear bright। दूसरा द डिस्ट्रक्टिव इंटरफेरेंस द पैथ डिफरेंस मस्ट बी इक्वल टू क्वेश्चन 2m माइनस 1 क्वेश्चन लैम्डा बाई 2 म्यू टी कास आर इक्वल टू 2 क्वेश्चन में 2n माइनस 1 क्वेश्चन 1/2 do n is equal to 1,2 etc. It is the condition of minima and film will appear dark in the case of transmitted lights. The interference from fringe obtains the at less distance because the difference in amplitude and dispersive ray at very large system. If it is seen from the relation deducing above the brightness and darkness of the film in the reflected and transmitted system that the condition of the interference are the two system are quite opposite to each other. A bright bands in the reflected lights will appear dark in transmitted lights from same path difference and vice versa. Thus the interference pattern is reflected and transmitted lights at complementary. So when the thin film is oil or water or a slow bubbles exposed to intended source of lights is observed under the reflection lights. Brilliant colors are seen in the film of the bubbles. These colors arise due to the interference of the light wave reflected from the top of the bottom of the surface film. Example number 10. A parallel beam of sodium lights lambda is equal to 5890 angstrom in is incident of a thin glass plane mu equal to 5 such that the angle of refraction is into the plate is 60 degree. Calculate the smallest thickness of the plates which will make a appear of dark reflection. Also from the fringe of reflection system of condition is given by 2 mu t cos r equal to l lambda. Here given that mu equal to 1.5 comma r equal to 60 degree comma lambda is equal to 5890 angstrom and l is equal to 1 thickness is list. Putting all value we get t equal to 5890 गुणे 10 माइनस 8 गुणे 1 बटा के 2 गुणे 1.5 गुणे cos 60 is equal to 5890 गुणे 10 माइनस 8 बटा के 2 गुणे 1.5 गुणे 0.5 इक्वल टू 3927 गुणे 10 माइनस 8 सेमी इक्वल टू 3.92 गुणे 10 माइनस 5 सेमी। एग्जाम्पल 11 फाइंड द थिकनेस ऑफ ए सॉफ्ट फिल्म म्यू इक्वल टू 1.33 विच गिव्स कंस्ट्रक्टिव सेकेंड ऑर्डर इंटरफेरेंस ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टेड येलो लाइट लैम्डा इक्वल टू 6000 एंगस्ट्रॉम इन इंसिडेंट इज नॉर्मल। द कंस्ट्रक्टिव इंटरफेरेंस इज रिफ्लेक्टेड lights. The condition is given by 2 mu t cos r is equal to 2n plus 1 question 1 lambda by 2. Here given that mu is equal to 1.33 comma r is equal to 0 normal incident n is equal to 2 and lambda is equal to 6000 angstrom. Putting the value we get t is equal to 2 plus 1 question 1 गुणे 6000 गुणे 10 माइनस 8 एंगस्ट्रॉम बटा के 2 गुणे 3.33 गुणे cos 0 इक्वल टू 3 गुणे 10 माइनस 4 बटा के 5.3 तो सेमी इक्वल टू 5.7 गुणे 10 माइनस 5 सेमी।